Halo guys, welcome back to this channel Berani Belajar. Masuk ke unit 28, penggunaan must and can't. Must and can't, or cannot ya. Kita langsung aja masuk ke study example yang bagian part A. Ada si cewek bilang, "My house is very near the motorway." Terus si cowok bilang, "It must be very noisy." Itu pasti ribut gitu kan. Nah, jadi kita menggunakan must itu untuk mengatakan sesuatu yang kita percayai dengan yakin, that we believe something in certain ya. That we believe something in certain. Maksudnya apa? Contoh aja kita ke kalimat yang pertama. You've been traveling all day. You must be tired. Traveling is tiring you and you have been traveling all day, so you must be tired. Jadi kau udah bepergian sepanjang hari, kau pasti capek. Karena dalam pikiran si yang ngomong itu, kan bepergian pasti menghabiskan tenaga dong, capek dong. Nah, udah seharian pergi, pasti dengan yakin dia percaya capek gitu, makanya pakai must gitu ya. Kemudian, Joe is a hard worker. Joe is a hard worker. Joe, you must be joking. He doesn't do anything. Jadi gini cara bacanya. Joe is a hard worker. Terus si seseorang bilang, Joe, you must be joking. He doesn't do anything, katanya kayak gitu. Joe seorang pekerja keras, bukan, katanya gitu. Joe, you must be joking. Kau pasti bercanda. He doesn't do anything. Dia nggak ngelakuin apa-apa, katanya kayak gitu. Kemudian, Lois must get very bored in her job. She does the same thing every day. Si Lois itu pasti merasa bosan pada pekerjaannya, sangat bosan, karena dia melakukan pekerjaan yang sama terus setiap hari. Must get ini, itu kan keyakinan dia ya, kayak dia believe something in certain, must be joking, must be tired. Okay. Kita menggunakan can't to say what believe something is not possible. Kita menggunakan can itu tuh menyampaikan that we believe something is not possible, sesuatu itu nggak mungkin gitu. Kita percaya sesuatu itu nggak mungkin, mungkin lah terjadi gitu ya. Contoh aja gini, yang kita yakini ya, kalau benar salahnya ya tergantung gitu ya. You have just had lunch. Kau baru aja makan siang kan. You can't be hungry already. Kau nggak mungkin lapar kan gitu. Karena kita ngira setelah ngemil udah makan, nggak mungkin segera itu tiba-tiba lapar lagi gitu. Kemudian contoh yang kalimat kedua, they haven't lived here for very long. Dan menurut kita, they can't know many people. Mereka nggak mungkin tahu banyak orang karena mereka baru saja tinggal di sini dan nggak lama gitu. Jadi sepemikiran kita mereka pasti nggak banyak kenal orang-orang sekitar situ lah gitu ya. Strukturnya gini, jadi you, she, they. Jadi pakai you, she, they aja ya. Dan lainnya ya, etc. You, she, they, etc. pakai must, bisa must or can't. Must bisa be, misalnya be tired, be hungry, be at work, or be doing, be going, be joking, or get, know, have, etc. Bebas lah, dan lain-lain gitu ya. Jadi strukturnya gitu ya. You, she, he, they, or something. Must or can't. Be or be verb ing, or get, know, have yang infinitive gitu. Oke, itu yang A ya. Kita ke part B. Kita pahami kondisinya seperti ini. There's nobody at home. They must have gone out. Gak ada nih orang di rumah, mereka pasti pergi. Kenapa dia ngomong gitu? Martin and Lucy, si Martin dan Lucy expected their friends to be at home. Mengira teman mereka berada di rumah. Kemudian they rang the doorbell twice. Mereka membunyikan doorbell, apa sih bahasa Indonesianya doorbell? Kok bel pintu 2 kali, tapi but nobody has answer. Gak ada seorang pun yang jawab. Lucy says, ya perempuan ngomong, they must have gone out. There is no other possibility. Jadi karena mereka yakin setelah 2 kali mereka ngebunyiin si bel pintunya nggak ada yang nyaut, nggak ada yang ngomong, berarti mereka nggak ada gitu di rumah gitu. Kemudian for past we use must have or can't have. Ya. Untuk past ya, must have or can have, ada have-nya ya. I lost one of my gloves. I must have dropped it somewhere. Aku pasti menjatuhkannya di sesuatu tempat gitu. That's the only explanation I can think of. Jadi aku bilang sarung apa? Glove itu sarung apa? Glove apa ya? Yang tangan, untuk tangan itu loh. Sarung tangan, tapi kayak ya udah deh, sarung tangan hilang satu, aku pasti menjatuhkan suatu tempat. That's the only. Jadi itu penjelasan dia yang terpikir ya. Kemudian we used to live very near the motorway. Kita tinggal dekat dengan motorway. Did you? Iya, benarkah? It must have been noisy. Itu pasti berisik, dan itu udah pas ya, dalam bentuk pas. Kemudian Sarah hasn't contact me. Si Sarah nggak menghubungiku. She can have got my message. Dia pasti nggak menerima pesanku. Itu yang ku yakini karena dia nggak menelponku gitu, nggak mengontakku gitu. Kemudian Max walk into a wall. Max berjalan ke sebuah dinding. He can have been looking where he was going. Dia nggak ngelihat, he can have been looking kayak mana ya cara ngomongnya, dia nggak ngelihat dia jalan kemana gitu, kayak ya mungkin dia lagi main HP atau apa gitu. Strukturnya gini, he dipisahnya ya, ini you see they, ini he, sama aja padahal bisa dipakai. Must or can't plus have plus yang kalau tadi be tired, be something, jadi been asleep, been at work. Kemudian been doing or been looking, yang verb ing-nya gone, get noun, ya itu udah bentuk dalam past-nya ya. Kemudian kita dapat menggunakan couldn't have instead of can have. Jadi di sini kan ada can have ini, kita bisa benar pakai couldn't have, boleh juga ya. Di sini could have juga ini. Couldn't have instead of can have ya. Contohnya Sarah couldn't have got my message. Si Sarah mungkin nggak nerima nih pesanku gitu kan. Max couldn't have been looking where he was going. Jadi si Max ini nggak melihat dia kemana gitu ya. Couldn't have boleh, can juga boleh, can't or couldn't juga boleh, itu tadi. Kemudian kita masuk ke exercise. Ini yang paling menyenangkan juga ya bagi teman-teman ya. Kalau aku enggak sih. Bagian 1, number 1. You have been traveling all day. You must be tired. Itu kepercayaan dia. The restaurant. Nah, itu pasti can di sini. Kenapa jawabannya can? Dia bilang it's always full of people. Dengan kata lain nggak mungkin kita salah, dia be very good gitu. Apa? Sebentar. Kayaknya must ya bisa juga. Must to say believe something uncertain. It's not possible. That we believe something is not possible. You can ini pasti must, kan kita yakin pasti. Ini mas, sorry ya guys. Number 3, that restaurant can be very good. It always empty. Nah, itu udah pas, karena kayak kalau it always full of people belum pasti be very good, tapi kalau can very good it always empty. Jadi kalau can itu tadi penjelasannya that we believe something is not possible. Kalau ini nanti kita believe something uncertain ya. Oke. Kemudian 4, I'm sure Kate gave me her address. I can. I'm sure. I must. Aku rasa masih. Oke. Lebih cocok mas soalnya. I often see that man in the street. He. Aku yakin lagi. Certain. Believes in certain. Mas. 6. It rained every day during their holiday. It have been very nice for them. It can have been very nice for them all. It couldn't have been. 7. Congratulations on passing your exam. You must be very pleased. Apa ini? Pleased itu kayak senang gitu ya. Tapi cara bacanya itu bentar. Please, kayak please ya, kayak please. 8. This bill blanks be correct. It's much too high. Can berarti ini. Kita nggak percaya. 8. Can. 9. You got here very quickly. You must pasti karena believe yes. 10. Bill and Sue always stay at 5-star hotel. They can be short of money. Pastilah ini kan karena dia udah sure always stay ya kan. Kemudian Karen hasn't left the office yet. She be working late night. She must pasti. Kita percaya, kayak kita yakin uncertain ya. Dia bekerja sampai larut pada malam ini. Kemudian bagian 2 menentu. Complete each sentence with a verb, 1 or 2 words. Lengkapi kalimat menggunakan kata kerja 1 atau 2 kata. Contohnya, I've lost one of my gloves. I must have dropped it somewhere. Oke, boleh have drop ya. Their house is very near the motorway. It must be very noisy. You've lived in this village a long time. You must nggak perlu lah ya kan pakai gitu kan, pasti kan masih lanjut dong kan, aku masih tinggal di sana kali ya. You must know everybody who lives here. Okay. 4. I don't seem to have my wallet with me. I must have dropped ya berarti, or left ya. I must have left karena udah lampau juga. 5. How old is Ed? Berapa tua si Ed? He's older than me. Dia lebih tua padaku. He must be at least 40. Okay. 6. I didn't hear my phone. I must have been asleep. Aku pasti tertidur ya kan. 7. You are going on holiday soon. Kau akan pergi ke liburan segera. You must terbalik, sorry. You are going on holiday soon. You must blanks forward to it. Yes, I am. You must Apa yang cocok ya? Looking ya, looking forward ya. You must be looking forward to it. Yes, I am. Okay. 8. I'm sure you know this song. You must have listened it before or heard before. Heard it before. Okay. 9. The road is closed, so we have to go another way. There must have been an accident. Okay. Nah, lampau ya. 10. Do you have a car? You must. How could I afford to have a car? Do you have a car? You must. Do you have a car? You must. Blanks. Do you have a car? Blanks. How could I afford to have a car? Oh, katanya gimana aku bisa punya mobil, berarti kamu bercanda ya. You must be joking, ya kan? Karena ini juga present ya. Kalau lihat yang ini must or can't plus have, been, being, gone, get, none. Sama yang ini must, can't, be, being, get, no, have. Kalau di sini kan you must be joking berarti be joking, be verb ing ya. 11. David is the managing director of a large company. So he must langsung aja kan, have aja lah ya kan, langsung. She must have quite a high salary. Pastilah. Oke, 28 break bagian 3. Use the word in brackets to write sentence with must have or can have. Must have or can't have. We went to our friend's house and rang the doorbell, but nobody answered. They must have gone out. Okay. Sarah hasn't contacted me. She get my message. She can have got my message. Coba kita cek lagi. Kalau penggunaan can't itu that we believe something is not possible. Oke. Kemudian satu lagi must have. Kalau must have, there is no other. Oh, untuk yang lampau ya. Untuk yang lampau must have juga, can have juga, tapi ini untuk yang lampau dua-dua. The jacket you bought is very good quality. It must be very expensive. Berarti it must harus pakai have juga, tambah been, karena have been very expensive. Number 4, I haven't seen our neighbors for the last few days. Pasti mereka pergi ya. They must have gone away. Okay, number 5. I can't find my umbrella. I left it in the restaurant last night. I can berarti ya. can see I must have left ya berarti left it in the restaurant last night. Jelek banget ya, nggak apa-apa. Last night. Okay, number 6. Amy was in a very difficult situation when she lost her job. Itu pasti nggak mudah baginya. Pasti pakai can lah ya kan, karena itu nggak mungkin mudah bagi dia kan. It can have been easy for her. Okay, 7. There was a man standing outside the cafe. He was there a long time. He must have been waiting, karena kan dia berlangsung juga ya, waiting for somebody. Okay, number 8. Rachel did the opposite of what I asked her to do. Dia pasti nggak ngerti gitu, berarti she can be understood ya, berarti he can understood what I said. Dia pasti nggak ngerti apa aku bilang gitu ya. Number 9. When I got back to my car, it was unlocked. Itu nggak terkunci. Berarti I must lah berarti kan. I must have forgot to lock it. To lock it. Okay, number 10. My neighbors were making a lot of noise in the night. It woke me up. Berarti they must have been having party. Okay. Kemudian 11. The light was red but the car didn't stop. Berarti dia kita nggak percaya dia nggak lihat gitu. The driver can have seen the red light. Jadi kita nggak bilang apa ya, gimana ya cara bilang, bentar. Jadi kita bilang si pengemudi itu tidak bisa lihat lampu merah, kan itu indikasi kita kan, karena dia tiba-tiba menerobos saja gitu. Kemudian Paul has had these shoes for years but they still look new. He must have kalau emas pasti jelek dong sepatunya ya kan, berarti dia tidak memakainya berarti kan ya. He can, dia tidak have, wear jadi worn, damn much, jadi dia nggak make sepatu itu sering-sering lah gitu intinya. Kelar guys, 28 dari 145. Tetap semangat semuanya.